We're here aboard SV Sweet Ruka in Hatchet Bay, Eleuthera, Bahamas.
Welcome to our very first episode of our vlog, Sailing Sweet Ruka. We are excited to share our adventures with you. My name is Kate, and this is my fiance, Curtis.
Together, we decided to go all in, buy a sailboat, and send it for a circumnavigation around the globe.
So grab some popcorn and enjoy the ride as we take you back to the beginning.
We
found our boat in winter of this year. After years of searching, boat show visits, climbing on and off boats and marinas, just looking for the right fit.
We made a few offers on other boats, but none of them worked out. As we are also sailboat racers, we wanted something with a little bit of performance, but also comfortable enough to sail around the world. We looked at catamarans, we looked at monohulls, we looked at large boats, we looked at small boats, but we just could not find the right boat at the right price within our budget. So along came this boat, we put in an offer, and believe it or not, 24 hours later, we'd owned a boat that we had never seen before in person, only on the internet.
It was time to go see it. 800 miles away from Toledo, Ohio, was our year 2000 J46 in Jamestown, Rhode Island.
So let's go take a look.
Let's go.
Ready to go to Newport? Get our new boat?
So ready!
All right,
Yay.
Let's get out of the snow. Here we go.
What could be the next gnarly Ruka? Here we go. This could be the start of something new.
I think it's pretty awesome, but I can't see my mirror on that side of the car.
Why? Because am I in the way?
Because you're totally in the way. All right, wallet, keys, phone.
Seat belts, everyone. Beep, beep. Whoops.
We're out of here.
We are.
Road trip. It's our ETA. It's like 12 hours from now. It's about 5:10 on Thursday, so we're gonna get there like 6 in the morning, Friday morning.
Hey, we'll watch the sunrise together.
And then we've got to inspect the boat, check it out, make sure it's all legit, and if that's the case, we sign this bill of sale. We give it to the broker, email it to the broker, and we own a boat. Where's Kate? There she is.
Sleepy time.
So, 12 hours straight through the night drive to Rhode Island?
Yeah, have fun. I'll see you in 12 hours.
That's how it's gonna go. Welcome to Ohio, everybody. Fun land of cornfields, turnpike, and a little bit of snow. Looks pretty wonderful, huh? Now you can see why we're buying a boat and we're gonna go sail where it's warm for a while. Enjoy the ride.
Woo! I just yawned.
You can barely see her over there.
Uh-oh. It's 5:40 in the morning. And we're crossing the Narragansett Bridge.
Oh God, you better work on saying that. There's Jamestown Island, that's where our boat is.
Good morning, everyone. Good morning, Newport. We drove all through the night. Now we're killing time until the boatyard opens. And it can't open soon enough. We are dying to see the boat. And the sunrise is about to happen. It's a beautiful day. It just feels meant to be, whatever that means. We just got done having the best egg sandwich on a croissant, and it was really good. And we're gonna get some warm coffee, and then later we're gonna get some seafood to celebrate our new sea life. What do you think, Curtis?
Sounds pretty good to me. I'm kind of excited for this sunrise.
Sunrise.
Yeah. I'm really excited to go see the boat. See how big of a mess we just got ourselves into.
No. Look, we're still smiling. Get it while it's still here.
While we're still smiling. giant house on a rock right there.
When
You
were
can
we
only
here
get to that by a
last?
boat. I don't know, but it's pretty darn cold. It's like 26 degrees, and we're buying a boat today.
We bought the boat having only seen pictures in an online listing. So we really didn't know exactly what we were going to find when we got out to Rhode Island to see the boat. We knew it was a good boat. We knew it was solid. We knew that we got the boat, for the price that we wanted. But getting out there, we took the cover off and we had no idea what we would find. The funny part was, it was actually Kate's birthday, so basically Kate was unwrapping her birthday present.
Mm-hmm. And what a birthday present it was. There was stuff everywhere. I knew it was going to take a long time to get her ready for her maiden voyage, but we were ready for the task. Alright, Curtis, we're on our way to the boat. We're nearly there. So yesterday we took off the shrink wrap, and that was really fun because it was like opening a gift on our birthdays. That was a gift we got for ourselves, I guess. And then we took off the wooden structure, that like held that up. So Kurt had to screw that all apart and toss the wooden pieces down. And I sliced up the shrink wrap so we could recycle it and put that away. Alright, here's a bunch of stuff. We've looked through it, but we haven't gone through it. Moving stuff off the boat. Hi, Curtis.
Hi, Kate.
What you doing up there?
Oh, we're gonna see what's in this locker, huh?
Alright, let's take a look. Yeah, it takes a lot.
Okay.
Alright, so looks like
Our first steps after taking the covers off was taking an inventory of what was already there on the boat and what we needed to buy and what we needed to work on. Essentially, we had to go through everything that was still on the boat, from the outboard motor to the sails to the lines and rigging, and it was cold and it was a lot of work. There was a lot of stuff.
Alright, I'm gonna hand you, this goes, once you get an extra trash bag, a little white trash bag. Hey guys, so we've got 2 of our batteries here, and let's take a look and see what they're going to replace. There he is right there. Keel sanding, and now she's working on the strut for the propeller. We'll go take a look here. All right, we're back up in the top of the boat now. Let's go take a look and check out the water maker that I just put in. So here you go. This is our Village Marine Little Wonder water maker. Maybe it'll stay. Okay. There we go. So once you hold up our panel fan, it's not too heavy. It only weighs a couple pounds, and we bought 5 of these individual panels. Hey babe, what you doing?
Starting the cleaning process.
It was time to put the rig into the boat, something we just couldn't do all alone by ourselves. The rig weighs several hundred pounds, and to get it into the boat, we actually needed a crane. So the boatyard helped us and assigned about 4 or 5 guys to the project, and together we all lifted the boat, or the rig, into the boat. Hard hats were definitely required. Safety first.
Safety first.
Hello everyone. I'm so excited. It's July 1st and today we are supposed to finally get the mast in, and the boat's cleaned up a little bit finally, as you can see. Anyways, it's been a lot of work and a lot of good teamwork, and we are so excited that the boat should probably also go in the next couple days, but looking forward to finally seeing it look like a sailboat.
It was now time for the final prep to put the boat in the water.
Engine running. Check.
Through hulls. Check.
Electronics. Check. JBY uses a railroad launching system, so it's a little bit different than what we were used to put a boat in the water. Essentially, the boat is loaded on a hydraulic trailer, and then it is slid on to a train car, which rolls down a ramp. This style of boat launching has been used for centuries, and a really cool thing about JBY is that they've been around since the early 1900s. They've been building boats there essentially since the beginning of sailboat time in Newport and Jamestown, and so they're experts in the subject. And watching them launch the boat essentially brought us back in history.
We even felt like we were part of that history, as Jamestown Boatyard was featured in the famous sailing movie Wind, and has been a launch pad for many boats that have traveled or raced around the world. A nervous time, as this is the first time we have seen her in the water. Despite the fact that we know she is good to go, the launch is always nerve-wracking. But all is good. We are floating.
So that's it. Splashdown. But stay tuned, and down here, hit the like and subscribe buttons. We'll put them there later, as we're getting ready to do some sailing, and we can't wait for you to come sailing with us.
Until next time, we're
Sailing Sweet Ruka.
We are so nerdy.